You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this word I should say, from French, meaning 50 years. Essentially, so when you turn 50, you have this, or if you have 50 potatoes, well, that's this too. Cinquantaine. It comes from the word cinquante, which is 50 in French, and then if you have a certain amount, 50 of something, years or anything else, it's a cinquantaine. Cinquantaine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.